Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. I'm streaming live every market open so you guys can see my entries, exits, all that good stuff. If you want to join me on my journey, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get to it, man. A little late this morning. The market has just opened, but we here, man. We ready. We're going to take advantage. Um, I really didn't have much going on this morning, man. Um, Biggest gap in volume was SMCI, but SMCI had a really big day yesterday. And, I don't really like trying to trade the second day after a big move because it's usually an inside day or a resting day. You see it's already below yesterday's high, so I don't know. Hey, what's up, Signature? What you watching this morning, Signature? All I got is SMCI, which I shouldn't even watch, and then CTNT, which is a small cap. Three Pony, what's going on? Um, yeah, so I don't really know, but I got some things popping up over here. Let's go through some stuff and see if we can find something. Grab. That actually has a really nice daily. 5 million shares traded. Huh. The range on this thing's like 20 cent though. 28 cent it is. Let's see, what is this? PLTR. Definitely need to watch that today. All right, so what's up, Joe? Oh, CRDO. I forgot about that, man. Actually, Trey showed me that, and it just didn't have any volume pre-market, but I see what time it's on. PLTR is going crazy. Definitely need to be watching that. Kizzy Bop, what's up? I saw T also. T does have a nice daily setup. It's only got $1 ATR. It's not very exciting. Man, PLTR going crazy. No entries given. I wonder if people are trading this because they think it's AT&T. That's funny. That actually looks pretty good right here on SMCI, but not if you're trying to risk low of day. But like, yeah, where do you risk if you enter on here all the way down to there? I need to put an ATR filter on this thing because if it ain't got an ATR of at least $1, like I don't want to look at it. That's where I got hemmed up on SoFi. SoFi got a 94 cent ATR now. Yeah, I thought this looked like a good long. It's just not really. I guess you could have done like $1 risk down to here, but not a clean setup for sure. Hmm. About a knee. Mm-hmm. Man, PLTR is super strong. Yeah, man. I was thinking about it right there, but that ain't it. Bruh, PLTR is literally getting out of here. Golly. Yeah, CTNT is way up there. Way over VWAP, all that. What was that one? CRDO. Ah, man, that was good right there. This was takeable, I think. Well, you gotta look at that though. That's pretty significant. Hmm. Bruh. PLTR for the win. RJ posted this in the Discord this morning. I don't know. I was feeling like it was too extended, but ZJK. Huh. Dang, ZJK just halted up in the first minute, and that was it. Look at it at the bottom of the range too. Hmm, that's interesting. It's probably worth watching right here. It paused at 9:30. It should be back open by now. I guess it's gonna do. Oh, look, it's got a countdown actually. That is dope. I ain't never seen that before. That's super cool. It's got a literal countdown timer right here. Bruh, that's really cool. You watching this tape into these lows, Trey? Got a lower high up here though. Don't touch it. All right. Man, I want this. I wish I would have. This was a good entry right here at 65, 70, 70-ish. Ah, that's still a wide as heck stop though. Never mind. Ridiculous stop. Yeah. Shim. Ooh. Pre-market low right here. That thing has been getting blasted though. It broke pre-market low. This thing is looking mad weak, bro. Big volume came in down here though. And then this. Actually, you know what? This could be a decent little reversal. PLTR. Oh my God, it is crazy. Dang. That's wild. I'm telling you, RJ, I was just talking about you bringing that up. I ain't messing with CTNT at least until VWAP. You sure called it, bro. That thing went crazy right off the open. Ah, man, I just realized this big old day, previous day on Shim. That could be a good thing in these, though. We'll see. That might be in the reversal right there on CTNT. Soar. Come on, bro. You always trolling me, Q. Oh, okay. That's a pretty good volume spike right here on CTNT. Um, Definitely would need to wait for a higher low of some sort. This is nice. Well, if we trade above it, it's nice. If we trade below it, I would say it's pretty bullet bearish. What's this high? 347. Yeah, we need 350. 300 right now. Yeah, CTNT is up hella. Like, really, man. Need this thing back down like below 5. For real, for real. I wonder what SMCI is up to over here. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to see. We can take 50, man. Shim could get buck wild. Big soak. Man, I've been wanting to mess with SMCI, but it just Yeah. I was wondering if you might have gotten in at that the first little man CRDO got this dip here. I mean, it's kind of a dip. I guess not really. Mm, definitely not on the 5. Yeah. I don't know about Shim over here. Mm. Now that's a dip buy right there, signature. Yeah, this thing screaming to the downside. The moon cue. Well, you know the usual. VWAP. Higher day, VWAP, pre-market highs. Yeah. Play the chart. See where it goes. Yeah. For real, Ben? Yeah, I don't know though. I wish I didn't add. Yeah, I wish my stop was still down here. Now they gone. Bruh, look at SMCI, man. I was real close to wanting to hear, but we got lower low, lower high. It's just like I need a little more confirmation than that. I like this pullback on lower volume here. This might be it right here, yo. Well, stopped out of shim. Job data in 5 minutes. Spy been lingering. Spy actually looks like a bounce. I added, so it ended up being 2R on the shim trade. Yeah. Supposed to be $5. It's choosing in 1 minute. AT&T bubbling over there. I see it. Nah, I won't. I shouldn't have added and raised my lower stop. This is a really nice retest, excuse me, of pre-market low. So I just wanted to retry it. If it fails, it's all good. Mm-hmm. Yeah, see, this was just a mistake. This was a good entry with my low here. Like if I wanted to take this, it's not a great entry, but if I want to take it and leave my stop low a day, then cool. Adding on the way up is not good because it really hadn't retested yet. So this was just a retest. Like it's a legitimate pullback, and I just got stopped out because I raised my stop too tight, which is one of my mistakes on my journal. Added and raised stop too tight. So anyway, I like the volume read, and I just wanted to get back in and try it out again with the proper risk. And if it don't work, it don't work. I don't really want to be. I don't like being afraid to try my ideas. So if I feel like it's decent, you know, this is a nice. It's a nice candle right here at a nice level, and even looks great on the 5. We'll see though. CTNT. Where could this thing go? Pre-market high is $9. Oh man, I worked on these hotkeys hard than a fool last night, and they didn't save. That sucks. Dang, I worked hard on those hotkeys. How is it not here? Dang. Yeah, Shem was wilding. It's really getting volatile over here on CTNT. Hopefully that plays out in my favor. Already up 2R on it. Of course. Yeah, I ain't got my buttons popping right now. Uh yeah, I definitely should be taking profit on this volume. I'm gonna hold for high a day though. since I missed that spike. Man, I guess SMCI about to go ahead and do it, man. And Shim is going to stop me out again as it creates a new low of day. The dumpster has been divin on Shim. Oh, come on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Did you really? Q? That's why you got to take profits. The market is dumping. Shim stopped you out. Yeah, Shim stopped me out too, Ben. 2 times. I'm done with it. I hope not. Q should have already taken profit. I think I'm about to get squeezed. Mm-hmm. Me? Nah. It's usually though, I think the way my hotkey calculates it, it's usually just under $5. So like most of my stops are like around four and some change. Sometimes I'll get slipped to like six though. Just need some volume. Can we hold $7? That is the question. It's not looking good. Yo, what's up, Arthur? Yes, sir. I'm trying, man. You get on anything nice today, Arthur? Was it? You lying, bro. Nah, bro. It's too wide range, man. I would have never taken that. But I mean, that was the best entry, but doesn't mean it was a good one. Yeah, I don't know. Didn't have much going this morning, so I'll be so happy if this thing holds 7 and goes up. I feel like I'm gonna get stopped out for sure, though. I think this candle right here is gonna decide everything. We go over 740, probably going up. If we're going below 690, it's probably going down. LPA. I really dislike the days after big moves, man. I would expect nothing from this. Oh, yeah. I hope you covered some CTNT. I assumed you took some out at VWAP. 737. Looking for 741. 36 on the ask. Well, PLTR sure held its price. Do I have plans for a vacation? Nah. I went to Vegas with my wife in August. So that's probably it for me for this year. All right, man. I'm liking this CTNT action, sort of. I mean, I did want to get over 740. I wanted to break the high of this 5 minute candle. We've done that. We've taken 750 here. um, yeah, let's see if we can get back over 8, man. The movie 21. That's like a thriller where like the number 21 is like everywhere or something, I think. It sounds familiar, if that's what you're talking about. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I think I saw that. Man, that's a lot of traveling, signature. It sounds amazing though. No time for trading. Okay. And then they end up outsmarting him in the end or something like that. It's not very much volume. I'm watching USMCI. Yeah. Yeah, I thought that was a really cool movie. I like that idea of them counting cards. Mm. Oh, hey, I watched The Big Short. I watched The Big Short for the first time a couple days ago. It was a pretty cool movie. I really liked dude from The Office. What's his name? I can't remember his name, but that guy, the character he played, he did a really good job. It was kind of hard to take him seriously at first, but then, after a while, I accepted the character, and it was really cool. Yeah, it was good. It was good. You got to check it out, Signature. Oh, okay. You weren't counting, you were gambling. Steve Kerr. Yeah, 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 that guy. Ah, man. Oh my God, bro. CTNT. Max lost me, yo. Oh my God. It's actually on YouTube, Signature. It's free to watch on YouTube. Dang. Yeah, I messed up not taking profit up there, Trey. You called it. I was over here fumbling with my buttons. Yeah. Yeah, I should have got out the way when you said you were shorting it. Dang, man, I'm very disappointed in I was ready to take on SMCI over here. I was very much looking for an entry on SMCI, but I don't want to walk away like this. I really don't. Oh yeah, check it out, Signature. It's a fun movie. Man, I want SMCI, bro. CTOR. Did I look at this today? I don't remember looking at this. I do one thing. One thing though, I really don't like this play over VWAP. And this just had so much downward momentum, man. It had been downtrending for a long time. Um, and just to, I don't know. I could have done without this. And it's even less than $5. Like $10 is my minimum, but then I'm like, okay, maybe under over 5, but yeah, $3. I mean, I don't want to blame it on the stock, but this type of stuff though is why I don't like this range of stocks because I almost lost another R in slippage on this stock just now. And that sucks. Yeah, I know, Arthur. I mean, LPA still looks like crap, but uh, man, I really wanted SMCI, bro. I was totally gonna take it. I was hunting it. I don't know if I've actually seen a trigger though, as far as volume is concerned, to get in. But I'm gonna take my L. A part of me wants to hit my broker up, like, hey man, what had happened was I need you to let me back in. Become a hyper scalper. I've really I like what I'm evolving into right now. Not for real though, bro. Like not I mean I don't think I'll be a crazy hyper scalper, but like this chart from yesterday, man, it makes me so happy. That sure is crappy looking, but um just seeing the green arrows and then the red arrows up high, the green arrows, red arrow, I like it, man. I like taking multiple sales. And yeah, SMCI is garbage. Shim's garbage. I knew today was rough, man. When I got here this morning, I only had like 3 things in the gap scanner. And today I should have broke out the PlayStation today. Like being honest. Cuz like literally the only mid cap that I thought anything of was SMCI, which did give an opportunity because the range it has such a wide range. Even on a resting day, you can find an opportunity on SMCI if you can find a nice narrow range entry. But uh yeah, I should have taken a day off, bro, because there was nothing that I liked. Like not a single A+ setup for me. And there's a couple cool gap ups in low cap land, but I don't like trading these low caps. You know. Uh oh, you got that 30% fade, man. You killed that, bro. I think this was obvious though, man. This was obvious. I was doing too much. I was doing too much. Yeah. So this is probably I think I've gotten really good at at looking at the things that I'm good at trading. Like if I look at the gap scanner pre-market and you put in 3 charts that are perfect for me and mix in 10 charts that are garbage, I think I'm going to pick out the 3 charts that are great for me. Like I've gotten good at that. You know what I mean? So if if there exists three good daily setups with the cap I like and the volume and all of that, I'm gonna find those 3 out of a basket of stocks, right? So I've gotten good at that, and I've gotten good at trading my lower day reversals. I think what I need to get good at is when there does not exist the setup that I want in the basket, right? When I look through the whole basket and I don't see anything, I still pull out I still pull out three stocks to look at. That's my problem. So I just had my criteria. When I first sit down in the morning, my criteria is very specific. But as I don't find it, my criteria kind of gets weaker and weaker, and I just end up watching anything, you know. Um, so that's challenging. That's something to get good at because I'm here to trade, you know. So I feel like I gotta find something to watch type of time, you know. Um, yeah, but this is something I don't even have much experience of. Something opening way above VWAP and then taking half the morning to come back to VWAP. And yeah, I hear you, Trey. This was a good entry. I just should have taken some profit and moved my stop to break even. That's what should have happened. That's what should have happened. And I got in the trade and I was not focused on the trade. I was not focused. Yeah. Man, that's tough to do, Q, but that's pretty much what needs to happen. Yeah, I was thinking that too, signature. A lot of time, like sometimes the gap just looks too big. Like that's just too much of a gap, you know? Yeah, you're right. I agree, Arthur. I agree. I didn't like the way it definitely wasn't a preferable setup, but you know, I was just trying to work with what I had, you know. And I mean, of all the places to go long on this chart, I picked the right place to go long. I just should have taken profit. If I would have sold half up here, I would have had 1R because I was up 2R up here. If I would have sold half up here, I would have been up 1R and stopped to break even. I would have stopped out and I would have had an R on this trade. And this is exactly what my plan was. But instead of reading the chart, I'm waiting for high of day. Right? Got to play the chart, man. Got to play the chart, bro. This volume was definitely big enough to require a sell. And my entry was pretty tight, man. This was a big move. This was up. I was up 2R. I was up 2R, man. So poor execution here. And Shim, I got a bad entry right here. So to add higher was retarded. Like I should have kept my stop. This was a FOMO entry, but you make it okay by putting your stop low of day, right? You definitely the move here is if it comes back lower, then you can add lower, right? But not add higher when you already took a wide entry. So Shim was really poor. It had already broken down so much. This was a dumpster dive for sure. Um, nah, that's facts though, Q. When you said that, I was like, damn, is he for real? uh, Shim looked like a long right here for at least a bounce up to 320 or something. All right, Ben. Ben, you sound so sophisticated, bro, talking about trading the spy. The spy is so sophisticated. Bruh, did we talk about CTOR? I don't, bruh. I don't even want to. I really don't like these stocks. I don't like low float stocks. I said it. Wave Rider, what's going on, bro? Yeah, I really don't like them. What's a good reason? Right here. This big red candle here and this big red candle here that dragged my stop loss like 30 cent. Literally. That don't happen on mid caps, yo. Yeah, so I'm going back, y'all. I know this is just one day, but I'm putting my $10 limit back on my I had a really good trade on a $7 stock the other day though. Nah, I'm good. Can I put an ATR filter on too? Because if that joke is below $1, man. Yeah. What do you think? $1.50? I know I traded UMAC. I didn't know UMAC was a low float though. I guess I probably did looking at the chart. But it was above $10. And I killed it. 1 for 2 on CTNT. All right, that's what's up, Trey. What you took that single just now off that bounce? It show crashed right back down too. Uh, I'm thinking $1.50 on the ATR, man, but I'll do $1. Honestly, I think $2. All right. UMAC. I like it. $12. Messed up first trade, made it back on the second. Right on. You flat right now, Wave Rider? You didn't trade anything today? It's P-Core. Yeah, it's gonna be very difficult for me to come in and not trade on mornings when there's nothing to trade. That's gonna be very difficult. Be a good time to work on my journal or something like that, I guess. I got a lot of trades to tag. But yeah, it was pretty dry this morning. And I have a max loss day to show for it. That sucks, man. Totally wiped out yesterday. Mm. BSAT. Hmm. Well, am I mad about Shim? I think I should be mad about Shim. This wasn't really confirmation at all. I was kind of looking at this. Yeah, I'm mad about Shim. And then I'm really mad that I added and increased my risk and went back. Shim is this is diabolical. This is ridiculous. I'm very disappointed in Shim. Uh, this was not the confirmation that I wanted in a trade. If I was gonna take it, this should have been the entry, and I should have sold on this big volume right here, like all of it, or half, like I said I was gonna do. Hmm. Yeah. Well, all right, y'all. I'm gonna call it. I'm not gonna do any extracurricular trading. And this is why I did not like SMCI today. You know, when there's nothing great, you can still watch the high volume. I might have to put some scalping in my game just so I can trade on my non A plus days, you know, and just I don't know, maybe do some 1-to-1 scalping or something. I don't know. CTNT. Yeah. There goes the streak though, man. It was popping, man. Yeah, that's a good idea, Arthur. Let's have our journal moment. Oh yeah. Uh you get good enough feels on Schwab to hyper scalp though? So I was rolling on a 4 day winning streak and came in and blew that up today with a max loss. I need to lower that with my broker. Oh, okay. Mm. Well, so now we're, I guess, green or red, like 1R on the month. So not the worst. We can manage this. I don't want to have. I don't like 3R down on one stock though. That's because my first trade I went down 2R on my first trade. Um, so yeah, I gotta be mindful. Really, that's interesting. Yeah. All right, y'all. I'm out of here. Appreciate you hanging out with me, man. Hit that like button if you could. Subscribe if you have not. And I'll probably do a little review video, kind of talk about what happened today, just so I can really go over it in my mind, try to figure this thing out. I appreciate you, Arthur. Nah, bro, I'm max lost for the day. I actually want to lower my max loss. I probably need to lower it to 3R. Um, yeah, I think 3R is what I'm gonna lower my max loss to. Nah, yeah, I'm done, bro. I'm done. I'm every like literally I don't have the data, but I would say 97% of the time when I trade after my max loss, I just make my max loss worse. Like maybe one or two times, not probably maybe more than that, but it's been a few times that I've been able to go back and get it back. But most of the time it doesn't happen and I end up worse. So yeah. Let's save hotkey layout. Yes. Save. I'm trying, man. It's probably one of my worst strengths or my major weaknesses is sticking to my rules. But I really come to realize that that's the difference between a profitable trader and a losing trader. It's the rules, you know. You go in and take winning trades, like, you know, a lot of people can take winning trades, but it's how do you manage your losers and, you know, the other things. How do you manage your max loss days and all of that stuff. So it really comes down to discipline. So I've really been trying to change the way I think about those things. And like it's I get more points in the bank for walking away on a max loss than I do for breaking my rules and making the money back, you know. So it's coming around, man. It's been a struggle. It's taken a lot of bumps upside the head to get where I'm at. And I still need a few more lumps on a few subjects, but I'm getting there, man. I'm enjoying the journey. I wish it was going a little bit faster, but you know, it's all good. I'm adjusting my expectations along the way, and I'm here for it. You know, I'm here for it. Yeah, I believe it, Arthur. I really believe it's coming. I'm just trying to be patient and do it properly. You know, so yeah, man. Pay those dudes. Yeah, them lumps, man. All right, y'all, man. I appreciate y'all for hanging with me. Arthur, Q, Trey, the squad, man. Wave Rider, Ben, Signature. Oh, y'all, man. Thanks for hanging out. We'll get them tomorrow, man. It's all good. It's just one day. One day. We'll get it. We'll get it tomorrow, man. I am gonna message my broker though and drop my max loss to 3R. Negative 15 on the day. I can live with that. I don't want to do more than that right now. So, all right, y'all. Be safe out here. Peace.